Hello. Welcome everyone back to the channel. This is our second episode in the series of Journey of the Mobile Application, where we'll see a mobile application from the scratch, from the ideation stage to the coding stage, and what happened next, right? So this is our second episode. In this episode, in previous episode, we have seen wireframing, a basic structure. If you don't remember, please see that website. Okay, so let me show you once again what was our wireframe. Okay, this is the wireframe we have sketched out using a pen and paper for our application, which is a reminder application, right? So there are two screens, landing and detail screen. Today we are going to design them on a software. We will be using Figma to design this. You can also use Adobe XD. They're both the same, no difference, right? Whatever suits you. So let's see. Okay, so this is our Figma page. You can create start a new project, right? So we will build our first screen, landing screen. So if you're a Mac, press A. Our application will be a mobile application, so we're going to choose something like okay, not that. Okay, that will be perfect, right? So this is your canvas. This is where we will design the application, and these are our tools. We have rectangle shapes, lines, arrow, ellipse. Then we have a pen tool. Pen tool is kind of like advanced tool we will see in our future videos to build illustrations or something like that. And this is the text. This is the most basic one, right? So if we go about our wireframe, so this is the landing screen. Okay, so we'll start building it. Okay, we will need a text. Okay, these are default setting. If we select our text and if we come to here, right, there is section called text, right? You can change the style of the font, and here you can change the size of the font. Okay, that will be fine, right? You can just drag and drop it to separate. Okay, so one thing is that you can see there are a lot of websites which have dual theme features, light theme and dark theme. You can build anything like whatever you like, right? We will be building light theme, but if you want to challenge yourself, you can build dark theme by yourself, right? Okay, so we have a text, and we are going to put another text which is showing a current status of the app. One hour to reminder, right? Okay, let's close this. Okay, one overdue reminder. Okay, we want that. No, we won't need in black. We'll do it in regular and small size. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's do it 12. Okay, perfect. You can see there's this two option like line height and letter spacing. Letter spacing gives you spacing between letters. Okay, let's see 10. As you can see, our letters have more space than usual. It gives this visual hierarchy. Some people like it, so it's really a matter of style. Whatever suits you, right? Okay, 20 is way higher. Okay, that's fine. Okay, actually, not 5. Okay, 10. We'll do 10. Okay, 10, 10. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And this we will do 20. Okay, good. Now it will look modern. We will look at various design principles like white spacing and all that in future videos. This is more like hands-on experience, right? Hands-on. Okay, so we will do another post for our past, right? And we won't need, we just need 10. 10. Okay, and we will give it bold. Perfect. Okay, this is our heading. And for this section, we can do this, right? And you can see in our photo there are round edges, right? This is very simple. Just double click on this rectangle and okay, this is very simple. You go here and this is called radius and you give some values. Okay, perfect. Okay, and we don't like this color. We want to change the color from fill section. We'll give it some lighter tone. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's make it bigger and let's okay. That looks good. Okay, so we can see we have two sections very similar looking, so you don't have to design from scratch. You can just select both elements, say control copy and paste it right here, then drag it, right? And the second is zoom. Okay, so that's our landing page. And these scratch you these shades you can see in this photo, these are sample data. You don't have to write every data into wireframe. You can just signify that there is some data which can change in future, which can be anything, right? So for sample data we will give you some values. Okay, so let's say coal zone, and we don't want the same. Okay, and we'll give it 10. Okay, coal zone, and we'll just copy and we'll just paste and we will give it a some time. And we we will some lighter shades. Okay, perfect. You can zoom in your canvas for better handling. Okay, and make sure to just okay. So right, make sure these are aligned correctly, and this will be better if these are here. Okay, you can select multiple elements by using shift. Okay. Then you can right click and group them together, so it will be easy to copy and paste. Okay, okay, perfect. So this is our landing page, very clean and very minimal. You can see it is looking very nice, very nice. Okay, and so we can make a new page. We can just use the same styles by control C and control V, and we can change some things, right? We can see sample reminder. Okay, so okay, if you want to edit something, we will say call Alex. Okay, these are past. Okay, then we have same. Okay, now we can see our text is behind this, so we can right click and send it to back, like to the extreme back. Okay, this is our title, and there are some data, right? Some description. So we can do anything like please remind me to call Alex to wish him happy birthday. Okay, you can see the text is out. So no worries, just come in right panel and under the text section click on this rectangle thing, fix size, or you can change this. Click on a rectangle. Okay, and okay, that looks good, looks good. Okay, then we have time. Time can be anything. Okay, if you have to just like this is a group thing we have done earlier, you can just right click and ungroup it, right? And we need just time, date also, date and time, as you nothing special here. You can use your mouse arrows to land it, right? Perfect. Okay, you can just delete it by delete key, and then we have time. Alert type is also, let's just delete it. Copy and paste this. Alert type is ring ones. Okay, then we can see we have three buttons, right? And two, it is really a good idea to use some hierarchy. Some, let's align it. Okay, perfect. Okay, for button, we can use something like that, and then put our buttons inside it. Okay, okay, that's perfect. Okay, we have complete, complete, and make it bold. I'm extremely okay. Make it bold and copy and paste. What was it? Edit and delete. Okay, edit and copy and paste and delete. Okay, so these are our three buttons. So this is all you have to do for prototyping. This you can say prototyping, but there are not functional buttons, so we can't really call it prototype. You will see functional button in future, like I can click on this button and this will lead to new screen. We will see in future videos. If you are interested, please subscribe to see that, right? We can download these designs to show to the client or just share it, right? Click on this Click on a page specifically and click on export, and then choose anywhere 1x 2x or any file type, right, and just click on export. So this is all. This is our UIX. In next video we will see how to code it in Flutter, right? So in journey of application we have our wireframe, and we have built actually designs, UI designs, prototype from that wireframe. Next logical step is to be build the application, to code the application, and we will be using Flutter to make our mobile application. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace.